This is the intake setup. It's a big boy. Super different.
There's 6 bolts. God damn it.
Go to fell asleep. Hello guys. Let's do a 5-inch intake install on my 2019 Audi TTRS. It currently has a 4-inch CTS intake, so we're gonna switch it over to the 5-inch. And most of the video is gonna be by my brother because he's gonna be the one installing everything at his mechanic shop, JRX Performance, which is where we are in right now. We brought it in because we just did the oil change too, which I'm gonna upload in another video, so stay tuned for that one. Let's run you guys through how to do this intake install. Okay, so this is the intake setup that we're working with. It looks pretty darn good. I think I showed it in my last vlog. I don't know if you guys remember, or if you were paying attention, or if I even showed it in there, but it's a big boy. The CTS intake is 4 and we're gonna upgrade it to the 5. So I'm gonna put the camera on the tripod so you guys can see what's going on, and yeah, let's do it.
Okay guys, so we pretty much got rid of the factory air guide, the air box, and the air intake. Now we have everything prepped, so we're gonna start piecing together the new intake. So it comes in a box, it comes in a bunch of pieces. This is gonna be the actual part that clips in where the old one is, so grab your grommets, and there's only 2. So the one that goes outside and then one on the inside, and that's it. Pop them right in like so, and once they're in there you can place them right here, right where the factory guide was. Here's your new air guide. So here's your other piece right here. Now there's 2 screws right here, and this is gonna go like this. So the L-shaped portion is coming up, the open spot is to the right, and there's 2 holes here where you're gonna have your factory mounting locations. There's gonna be hardware included, so you can put this in there. And then there's 4 holes, 1, 2, 3, 4, that correspond right here on this guy. So put this one first, and then put this one second. And then you can, don't bolt everything tightly just yet, because you want to have everything aligned before you tighten everything. So leave it in there loose, grab the hardware, and you're gonna start threading them in by hand.
And this is the CTS intake, and then this is the intake that we're about to install. Super different.
In your hardware baggie, it comes with the assortment of clamps, screws, and the new air recirculation bypass here. This one has it already, it's blocked off, so we don't really need to transfer this piece over. In the hardware baggie, it comes with 3mm. There's 6 bolts. God damn it. There's 6 bolts, and they're Allen size 3mm. Started, so now we have our front shield in place. We'll grab the remaining 4 bolts, and you can throw them in right here. So we'll start with the side ones first. Thing number 2, we got these 2 started, these 2 side. Now we're only left with the 2 bottom ones right here. And again, because they're loose and this is on a rubber bracket, you can shim this forward to align the holes. It's a little tricky, but it's doable. And we'll continue. Next up is going to be the transition from your either your 4-inch Unitronic CTS or factory inlet, IROS inlet, whichever inlet you have. Here we have a 45-degree 4-inch to 5-inch for your inlet if you're using like the Unitronic CTS or IROS inlet. And then you have the 5-inch to the factory 3-inch inlet, which is the one we're going to be using on this application. But more, we're going to be using this one, the straight piece to the 90-degree up for the intake with our purge line right here. The pipe right here, big ass 5-inch, so 3-inch clamp goes on first. We're going to go ahead and pop this in, and we're not going to tighten it just yet, we're just going to set it in place. We're going to grab our 5-inch, 6-inch hose clamp, and we're going to set it on here. Again, leave it loosely. Now we can fit our pipe. We are having some fitment issues with the factory mounting location where the factory intake was, so we're going to go ahead and just remove that bracket completely. That way everything fits nice and snug and not just forced, you know what I mean? And it's 2 triple square M10 bolts. And then here's our bracket that we're removing. The factory location was here, so we went ahead and removed this just to create more clearance for the new 5-inch intake. Once everything is in place, here is that last piece that we have for the recirculation. So it's in, and the third one's here. Put a clamp in there before we fit it on here. This one first, and then the last one on the actual pipe itself. That's pretty much it. So everything's now fully recirculated. Everything's gonna get clocked now while we tighten everything. And then last is just the filter. So the one on the inlet is tight first because that's where all the weight is. Now we're gonna do the pipe to the adapter. Okay, we got everything tightened down, just wiping down all the fingerprints that we left. I mean, it's gonna get dirty regardless with the dust over time, but again, we had to remove that bracket because we were having clearance issues. But what I'll end up doing is I'll just probably fabricate a piece of bracket there that we can hold it up like this. We just gotta get a clamp for this one because I had borrowed it a while back and I forgot to order another one, so just gotta grab a clamp for that. It sits more to the right just because of the 3-inch reducer, so they do come pretty lengthened. So what we could have done is theoretically, yes, we could have just shortened it by trimming it a little bit, and that'll shift it to the left. But we already have a 4-inch inlet on the way already, so we're not gonna trim it for now. We're not gonna deal with it because we're gonna be removing this anyway to switch out to the 5-4 to get all the airflow to the turbo.
We are going to head on over to, I think, Home Depot so we could pick up that one clamp for the filter. So let's go. Ready, Billy? Watch your head. You need help with your seatbelt or you got it?
Got it.
Okay, we made it to the homes of the depots. Go to fell asleep. Oh, I think we found it already. Do you want me to get a cart? Okay, I'll carry you. What?
Chips? Oh, hell.
I thought you were sleeping.
130 to 191 millimeters hose clamps right here at Home Depot. They're $4.47. It's like $5. I'm gonna take 3 just in case, just an extra.
Yep.
But we're gonna go to the tool section and just confirm that this is a 7-inch opening. So we're gonna use a tape measure from the tool section. Rather handy dandy tape measure, and it's a 7-inch outer diameter, and the pipe is 6-inch for the flange. So we're good. We're covered. Now we can put it back.
Go to your napping.
No.
Okay, we're gonna do a launch. You guys want to launch?
Ready?
They're like so used to it, they don't even care about it. It's not the same feeling in the back as it is in the front, guys, okay?
Tighten this up. And lift. Install. Ouch.
Okay.
No. My finger.
Daddy,
Yo.
you hurt your tail?
Yep.
Why?
I don't know.
You want it.
What were you eating?
I'm good.
Alright guys, so we've completed the install. We have our new air guide or air duct to go into our big air filter and our 5-inch intake pipe. And then it gets severely reduced to the factory 3-inch, which is going to be changing because we ordered a 4-inch inlet already, so we're just waiting for that to get here. And we have our recirculation hose that adapts to the intake, and then with the evap all nice and routed.
Wow.
And that's pretty much it. If you guys do want to order a 5-inch intake, just let us know. We can definitely get this ordered for you guys.
It looks super cute.
Find me on Instagram at jrx.performance and TikTok. YouTube, we haven't really put out videos because
It's time consuming.
it is. It's very time consuming. But we have a new 5-inch intake installed. The next thing that's going to be on the list is the 4-inch turbo inlet and straight pipe exhaust
Yep.
and hybrid turbo.
I hope you guys enjoyed this short installation tutorial, whatever you want to call it, and we We'll see you in the next video.